I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for something fun for your little one to do, you're going to want to check out this climbing set from the brand LOL Fun. Our little one loves to climb everything in our house, so this was the perfect addition to his play area. He is loving being able to climb up and down the set. It's nice that you can set it up in different ways. It even has a slick ramp that you can use as a slide. It has like a climbing wall with the little pieces that you can grab onto, so he's learning to use that as well. And it's really just helping him learn different ways to use his body and to be more confident while climbing. This is a great indoor activity for little ones on a rainy day when you can't take them to the park or to gymnastics. This helps to get their energy out, to get some exercises and have fun. It's so sturdy, very well made. The colors are so cute, and it's just a really great item to have for your little one. So if you're in the market for a climbing set for your little one to improve their climbing skills, you're definitely going to want to check out this climbing set from LOL Fun. It is top notch, and that's my point of view.